Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real. Spice will be coming out with a new talk show on YouTube called Spice World. During last week's live, she had plenty to say about a few people, starting off with Dangel. She spoke briefly about the project that her and Dangel had with the song No Worries, and here's what she said.
Angel, no, the reason why I say Angel could have stayed. Angel is a girl where she called on my phone. She want the collaboration and everything. Remember when you know say nothing never go on for Angel. And I like when Angel the song No Worries. Angel used to call on my phone day in day and night. I couldn't sleep on my yard. And you know what I say? I'm going to do the song with her. I'm going to do the song No Worries when she say it and it gears something. So anything we go on for Angel right now, I mean make it a go on for her. I'm not ask you. I tell you. Not never that go on for Angel. You understand? I do No Worries and everything and song come out and after that, the girl called back my phone. Angel, remember used to lift on my phone and call me down. Morning, noon, and night. Mama, you can't do the song, you can't do the song. Me in my sleep, I sleep. Hello, it's Spice, remember the song. Alright, I call her back when I wake up. Remember you call me on my bed? When you get the song, you remember?
Dangel then had responded back on Instagram with a few posts, including
I'm never ready for the song with you yet. Give me some time. When me see the upsurge, I tear down with female artists in the business, me say, a time now. Same time some send me the rhythm. Because I want to do the song for the right producer at the right time. So I realize the female artists are tear down each other in their business. And them label you as one with don't collaborate with man and don't give man strength. Mr. Jackie, now is the time. She give me a number. Remember, I never had a number. She give me a number. I call you. I'm say a time now to do the collaboration. You never hesitate. So what we are going to sing about? If after this something uplifting, call your lady. I never that call on your phone either. I call your lady and I say, I like this now, you know. Time, let's go. We link up 2 days after. I will go into the studio. Me and I meet up. She greet me with love, I greet her with love. I run with the song out of breath. I do everything I can with the song. This song reach right there. You never give me a song. I thank you for the collaboration.
Spice had discussed some of MC's Nuffy alleged history in the past. Nuffy had then came back and stated he will be suing Spice over defamation of character. Spice definitely clapped back with that, with a letter from her attorney stating that she's ready for this lawsuit. Last week, Saturday, Dovey Magnum had an all-female show in honor of her birthday and also returning back to Jamaica. Dovey had a chance to sit down with Onstage and discuss some of the things that had happened before.
There's a support, I reach out to and give me the okay and go ahead and continue in doing whatever. And then now 2 weeks before my party, you pulling out, that one pulling out, and then none of the reasons them don't add up. It makes no sense to make me believe that. I know the man I fight against, I fight against myself. And love ball say, the man, them and the people, them and this and that, I fight against the female, them in the dancehall. No.
As the news hit the airways and of course social media, Jada Kingdom came to clear her name and why she wasn't able to perform at Dovey Magnum show.
I couldn't tell her the real reason because I don't know how close she and them people is. And then I go tell her so and then she go back go tell them. So I just no go and no go. Because it would have even more fuck up if me that promoted and everything and be the hypocrite. And then when the show, when at the night, I don't go. Me and somebody were not good. If them even as go, if them even blow in my direction, like I feel uncomfortable. Yeah. I don't want in that. I want to understand. I never disrespect Dovey Magnum or none of them or whatever the case may be. You understand? So I just all love. You see, if I was just one person, even call him, if I was just one person, I'd have shut my eye and say, "Sure, Dovey might not know say me and that person they're not good enough. I just go our event, man." Everybody, so I don't know if it's a setup because I've never met you in person. You gotta say you don't know the reason why the other person pull out. You know because then my ears say because me that go there. And I who them tell we say. You understand?
And Ding Dong has gave back to his community. One people of Nannyville were graced with a whole bunch of food and activities from Ding Dong himself. Here's a That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.